Yeah.
This is what you expected to see, or?
Not really. I don't know what I expected.
It's different waterfall, right? You haven't seen it before.
There's no other waterfall that I know of like this.
How is this?
Not that I'm a waterfall expert. It's cool. It's really like, it really is like sticky. Like not like sticky like glue or anything, but it's just like it really like grips your foot. It's almost like you're walking on like rubber, or so like traction. There's a lot of traction you get.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's fun. It's a lot of fun.
Yeah, I'm glad you have fun. I think my parents should come here. You think they'll be able to come? Is that too difficult for them? I don't want them to fall though.